Hey everyone, if you're seeing this dreaded screen that says automatic repair, gonna repair your PC, don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it easily. I start facing this issue after installing a new hard drive. The main SSD, the NVMe where Windows is installed was still connected, but somehow the boot order got messed up. This can happen due to the BIOS setting or incorrect boot BIOS just being set automatically. Let me walk you through the simple step to solve it. First, shut down your PC completely, then power it on back and press your BIOS key. In my case, it is the delete key. If you don't know your BIOS key, then search online with your motherboard model name and you will find it easily. Once you are inside the BIOS, navigate to the boot tab and here you will find the boot option and find the boot option number 2 and check if your main SSD or NVMe hard drive where the Windows is installed is listed and select that. And in my case, my main SSD is labeled as a NVMe WD Green SN350 500GB and I'll select this as the correct boot drive. After selecting the correct boot drive, save your changes and exit the BIOS. Wait for your PC to restart. It might take a few seconds, but your system should boot normally this time. And there you go, my PC is now booting successfully and the issue is fixed. The ASRock logo is showing up and the window is loading without any problem. And that's it for this tutorial guys. If this video helped you fix the automatic repair issue, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And if you have any question or facing issue, drop down in the comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.